If it were done when it's done, then 'twere well, if were done quickly. If the assassination could tremble up the consequence, and cut with his sources that but this blow might be the be all and the end all here. But here you open this bank in show of time will jump the life to come. But in this case we still have judgment here. That we will teach bloody instructions, which being taught return
to plague the inventor. This even-handed justice commands the ingredients of our poisoned chalice to our own lips. He's here in double trust, first as I am his kingsman and his subject, strong both against the deed, then as his host, who should against his murderers shut the door, not bear the knife myself. Besides, this Duncan hath borne his faculties so meek, hath been so clear in his great office, that his virtues
against the deep damnation of his taken off and pity, like a naked newborn babe, stirring the blast, or Evans cherubim, hours upon the sackless careers of the air, shall blow the horrid on every eye, that tears shall draw the wind. I have no spark to prick the sight of my intent, but only bolting ambition, which outlifts itself and falls on the author.